Hey, Danny, it's me and Mike. We're in Fort Lauderdale. Just to recap the story, I just bumped into Mike because I was at this laundry convention thing in Fort Lauderdale that I was invited to, and lo and behold, there's this guy.
All right,
holy hail!
We showed up on their website, and remember their email club. They sent me a link to a open house on Thursday. Who do I walk into? This guy.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
And the education we got 2 weeks ago when we were in Vegas, combined with what we've got today, is phenomenal. Because it's right up the alley that you've been teaching us.
Yeah, absolutely. And it feels like I can capitalize on everything that you've taught me at this from this point, and I can move forward to achieve even bigger success. Danny, thank you.
Thank you very much. And we also met the head board members of the CoinLaundryAssociation.com.
Right.
And
right.
Look where we're staying.
Holy cow. Isn't that something?
We learned a lot, and we can't wait to see you soon.
Thanks, Danny. Talk to you later.
Bye.